A hopeless man asked Shiva, "Why does every effort end in silent collapse?" Shiva answered calmly, like thunder that teaches patience. Because effort alone cannot destroy illusion. Some structures must collapse so truth can breathe. Your failures are not refusals, they are removals. I am breaking what cannot support your next becoming. When effort ends, surrender begins. And in surrender, power returns in forms the mind cannot design.